You are not looking at it. You know?
Mm.
It's enjoying the show. We're not enjoying the show. Bhakta is, like Osho said, no, that a bhakta is the real bhokta. You know, he's Mahabhog. He really indulges with life. He tasted every single bit of it. We're thinking about it, planning about it, and Bhakta is saying, "No, I don't give a fuck. I love this."
Yeah.
And that's where the communication starts. If you say, "I love this" to this empty, vast cosmos, you think there will be no response? Usually, people will use this logic to say the contrary, that there will be no response.
Mm.
But we never try, you know.
Huh,
We
yeah.
ask some stupidity, you know.
Mm.
Get me the girl or the money. It's okay. You don't want to meet me? Okay. Here, 2 million.
Mm.
Now teach other how to get 2 millions. That is a workshop. Yoga. You know, 95% seekers will disappear at this courses. Okay. I don't know. I will figure out.
Yeah.
I have to do certain things.
But when it becomes an immediate possibility,
Nobody will take it. Also, I have problem. I really want liberation. When you say, okay, tell me what's the problem. Let's liberate you. We may not want to get liberated. Most
because,
probably not.
like you were saying, you have to make the jump, no? And
Complain is that you have something unlived and you are bitching about. So you really don't want liberation. Most people going into spirituality is a complaint.
It's a complaint. Yeah.
It's a complaint. I don't like
I
this.
thought, yeah, I
Give
thought
me
it would
something
be better than this. Yeah.
Point
That's
is,
very true. That's most people.
till you don't stop complaining, it won't show you her face, you know. This is the Shakti Devi is about. You have to say, I am willing to see. Now, let's look. It's a dare, man, to inviting life to interact with you directly. Be ready to go crazy, because socially you will be called crazy, because you could start talking on the way, on the road. People think you're imagining, but you are not. It's the true most conversation you're having with life. Because whatever you say, think, every particle of life vibrates. We are that impactful, and we don't know that. We are vibrating so many worlds, it ends up being chaos. But yoga or tantra is saying to you, bring it to few and focus there.
Yeah.
That'll be much healthy, beneficial.
Yeah.
So many words, a grand idea with a joint or something, but any given moment you can work on one thing, and that is practically you can do only one thing at one time. So take it like this: solve your complex problem, one thing at one. Right now, what you can do, just focus. Which is the most immediate? What your intelligence sees, what needs to be done for your given situation. Just do that. Don't think that what will be the answer for that complexity. And that is the miracle of this. You will see you're resolving everything
By just doing the next step.
by doing the next step. Means pointing the arrow in the right direction. That means that what needs to be the, not that what you want to do or what you don't want to do. Okay, you want something to happen, so what needs to be done for that? That's the, and if you immediately put an action, live action in service of what you want, you are doing a yagna. And if you make it a everyday pattern, and you are really generating a force for that thing to happen.
So what does yagna mean?
Yagna means when you put fire and do rituals around it and throw things. Fire represents the present fire which is on. And you are introducing new desires with grains and things. You're saying a mantra and intention and throw it into the fire. So the mind of the seed is carrying your intention, because seed doesn't die. There's a recording inside it. So there is a mind present into it.
So
that is
the
the sacrifice.
Okay, so all these rituals, everything has a logic and to them.
They represent a micro which is happening within us, in a macro which is outside. There is a fire, there is a water, there is a smoke, there is a fragrance, there is all 5 elemental energies are there. Fifth is not touched, because ether, you can go as far as air with the